Cool, so next to me on the right we have Kenneth's stunning Aston Martin. Last time we saw this, we were over in the Netherlands and it wasn't sunny like it is today. Today we're down at Quicksilver, we'll have a quick walk around in a minute. But here's the man himself. Has a very loud Brabus revving outside. Since obviously putting the wheels onto it, it was blue.
Yeah, it was.
Can you go over what's been done and the tuning and the paint and then the PPF and then the airbrushing and the carbon and the interior and the exhaust?
Yeah, well, the first big step, of course, are always the wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably many seen it in blue with these wheels, but it was on the original height.
Yeah.
So we lowered the car, and that was a huge improvement. But yeah.
The wheels tuck in now, don't they? They just pull in.
Now it's really perfect.
Yeah.
Like the stance and
the offset,
and the design of the wheel pops out more. Everything. Yep. And of course, it had black brake calipers. Now it has orange brake calipers.
Oh yes. Okay.
And yeah, those suit
really
the
pops behind the wheel.
Yeah,
really good. Yeah.
So I think the day after you left,
we
completely stripped the car, repainted it in Buckinghamshire green.
Is that an Aston Martin colour?
That's the original Aston Martin colour, yeah.
Okay.
Because I want to stay close to the brand itself, of course, but to make it a little bit more aggressive, we have gone for the XPEL Stealth on top of it.
And that's everywhere, including on the carbon and everything, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. So it has a black. From factory, it had the black pack.
Yep.
And we made an overlay in real carbon fiber.
Okay.
Because the parts are not orderable in carbon fiber. So that was the main reason why we have gone for that. And also, we wanted to add some extra elements to it to make it a little bit more special.
Like the window surround.
Window trim.
Yeah.
The logos are also carbon fiber.
Yeah, I noticed.
Hand-painted logo on top of it, underneath the clear coat.
Is that the same as the shields?
The same as
the same guy?
Yeah, same guy.
So the shields on the car look like a sticker, but they're not. They're airbrushed on, and then obviously with the PPF on top. The detail on this is stunning. It is like the best build. Like I said to you on Instagram, Builder 25. Like this is stepping it up. You know, putting a set of wheels and the springs on a car is one thing. Adding a kit is another thing. But then it's just all the attention to detail.
Yeah.
Just keeps going and going and going and going.
Yeah,
and you tell me you're not even finished yet. You haven't done the boot.
Correct. Yeah. So we 3D scanned the rear of the car.
Yep.
Designed a spoiler lip for it.
Yep.
Because I wanted to give a little bit of extra detail to the ducktail that's already on the car, but not. Didn't want to make it too extreme.
But it just changes the silhouette.
Yeah. So of course there's from the V8 Vantage you have the F1 edition with the spoiler on top.
Oh
yeah. I really don't like a spoiler on top of this, and this is the perfect balance, especially if you look from the behind.
Yeah.
Like you have carbon, green, and carbon fiber to finish it.
Yeah.
Talking about extra elements, we wanted to put in the kit also these ones. Normally this is a flat space.
Okay.
And we added 2 extra fins to make it a little bit more aggressive.
You wouldn't know.
No.
It looks factory. Well, yeah. Really good.
And then of course another important thing, the interior. You met Dennis last time.
Yeah.
The crazy Russian.
He
Russian
is crazy.
guy.
But this is unbelievable. Like it is just perfect. I'm sure Jay's putting some footage over the top of it already, but what a place to be. It smells so good.
Yeah, it smells new.
Yeah.
Even after driving it here.
Yeah, for that amount of time. Yeah, I can't smell you. I can just smell the car. Yeah, it is amazing.
Yeah, and then we have like green painted. It's kind of a special coating on top of the aluminium parts.
So the buttons, and like the seat controllers and the air vents, like it is just,
Yeah, even like the controls in the steering column, they're all green.
That's a lot of work to do that.
It is, yeah.
But then that just shows you the standard of what you're trying to bring at absolute modification.
Yeah, like you said, it's easy to install parts on a car, but in my opinion, like the details are the most important.
The small bits. Yeah.
Build a complete car.
There's different levels. I mean, you can sort of say you can go for an OEM plus build and vibe.
Yeah.
And then you can go to some of these almost like a tailor-made car. Like, you know what Aston are doing with, is it Q branch they call it maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it looks like a product from there.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, that's always the goal. What I like the most, to create a project, keep close to the brand itself, and make something that people think it came from Aston Martin in that way.
Yeah.
So in the back, also cool. We also replaced all carpets for Alcantara. It's a little bit messy now, but we have made a wooden panel.
Yeah.
And this one isn't finished yet, because this is the prototype. Yeah, here we will put back the umbrella, but we need to make some leather straps.
Okay.
And the cool thing is, everybody is saying to me, like, do you feel like James Bond now? You know, how everybody's talking about Aston Martin. So one of my friends is a specialist in weapons.
Oh, right, okay.
And he is now building an umbrella
Yeah.
that can really shoot.
What? No way.
Yeah. So that's, yeah, those things are fun.
Because obviously we're taking this car with us to Gravity.
Yeah.
So that's one of the things that keep it up for the Gravities. We'll have it there if you're going. I probably wouldn't bring the gun umbrella to Birmingham.
No.
We'll make sure we'll put some pictures up.
But it is a dangerous area, right?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. It is a bit dangerous. Yeah. Oh, so that's the actual colour of the car there before the wrap. Yeah. So when they painted it, you painted the car. Like it wasn't just a surface paint. Yeah.
No. It was like dark blue, and we fully stripped it, repainted it, and this is one of my favorite colors Buckingham share. And the orange brake calipers is also an original
Aston Martin colour.
Yeah.
So this is an Aston Martin colour. I know Jay behind the camera has a Triumph, and he's unsure what colour to paint it. That's a nice colour.
Yeah. That saves me a motorcycle build.
They can paint it for you. Just get it across there. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. No, this thing is absolutely stunning. Like I say, if you're going to Gravity, which is this year, in a few weeks' time actually, end of August, we'll have this on the stand along with our M2 and some other new things as well we haven't quite released yet. But stunning car, congratulations. Do you want to do a swap?
Thank you for the wheels.
Oh, you're more than welcome. You look
love
amazing.
them.
Oh, and then check out the t-shirt as well if you turn around. Look, that's a prototype t-shirt. They will be coming soon as well.